uncomfortable. Some believe these are natural sleep phenomena. Others aren't so sure. I want you to watch carefully and decide for yourself. What you see here might challenge what you think you know about the hours we spend unconscious. If you're ready to examine this footage with me, hit the like button and subscribe because we'll be analyzing more unexplained sleep recordings. Let's begin with the first case. This one had been waking up tired for weeks. She couldn't understand why her sleep felt so restless. She decided to record herself sleeping to see if she could find answers. Watch what happens to her stuffed animal at 2:47 a.m. The movement starts subtly, small twitches and shifts that seem to happen on their own. She unconsciously adjusts the animal in her sleep, then settles back down. Then her arm lifts into the air. She wakes briefly, confused, before falling back asleep. By morning, the stuffed animal has somehow moved to the opposite end of the bed. She has no